Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin Up, and today we'll be making the Heirloom Arrangements Kit. This kit features a wide range of nature-inspired designs that make mixing and matching a breeze. Whether you follow along with the instructions or personalize your cards with the elements included, these eclectic cards will be well received. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. I love these beautiful cards. If you liked crafting with a kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!